Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting immediately. Duplicate the background so you always have the original. Create a new layer and set its blend mode to overlay to let light interact naturally. Now choose the elliptical marquee tool and draw the area you want lit. Make deliberate size choices. Too small looks fake. Then apply a generous feather of about 60 to 150 pixels depending on image resolution to soften the edge. Once done, fill the selection with 50% gray to build a controllable light base. With the gray fill in place, transform the ellipse to match perspective using Free Transform. This aligns the light with the scene. Next, blur the spotlight with Gaussian blur. Start low and increase until the falloff feels natural. Reduce the spotlight layer opacity between 20 and 60% to control intensity, making sure highlights aren't blown out. Add a layer mask now and paint with a soft black brush to remove light from areas that shouldn't be lit. Paint white back to restore light where needed. Finish by color grading the spotlight. Clip a curves or color balance adjustment to the spotlight layer to warm or cool the light, which helps integrate it. For extra realism, duplicate the spotlight layer, set the copy to soft light and lower opacity for a subtle glow. Group all related layers and tweak group opacity to globally balance the effect. If the edge reads too hard, make sure the original marquee had enough feather, or simply soften the layer mask with a large, low-opacity brush. This fixes most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.